Guess where I went yesterday? Go ahead, guess. Trader Joe's. I was in the town, somewhat close to me, where there is a Trader Joe's. So I decided it was like a 10 more minute drive. So I went. It's a wonderful place. It's very relaxing to me to shop there because of all the interesting things they have. So I just wanted to show you what I found this time at Trader Joe's. Okay, I'm going to start with the cold things because I had to put these in the fridge when I got home. I got some more tempeh because I did a video, you might have seen it, on how to make tempeh tacos, and they were delicious. So I decided, why not? It's a good source of protein since I don't eat much meat. I'm trying to make more of an effort to get more protein in my diet. So it was $2.49. Then the next thing, I was looking at their beautiful cheese display and I found some Fontina semi-soft cheese. And I've had this in the past. It was $3.56 for half a pound. And of course, when I shop at the regular stores, get cheese on sale that's like sliced or in a chunk. Sometimes I can get 8 ounces, half a pound for $1.25, something like that. But I decided to splurge and I got this. So I will love it. And the last refrigerated thing I got was some silken tofu. I love this stuff. I'm not a big fan of tofu that you cook. This is one that you can make desserts with, and I will show you. I'll include it in this video of how I make something with silken tofu. And this costs $2.49. And it's a pretty good source of protein too. It has 5 servings in this pound and 4 grams of protein. So those are the cold things. I didn't get any freezer items this time, but look what's sticking out of the bag here. I got another ciabatta baguette because the last one was so delicious and this was $1.99. So I figured, yes to the bread. Okay, another item out of the bag is, I got a can of organic coconut milk. I love using coconut milk in like vegetable soup or like a creamy soup or curry. And it was $1.89. I used to be able to find coconut milk at the Dollar Tree for $1 when it used to be the real Dollar Tree, not a $1.25 tree or whatever the cost is now. But I haven't seen coconut milk there in years. So I splurged. It's delicious, so I got it. The next item, I got some well-rested herbal tea because it's a little cool here. It's winter, and I decided I have to have caffeine-free, right here, caffeine-free, to be able to drink it past noon. I mean, the tea and caffeine really bothers me. The tea and coffee, not as much. I don't know why that is, but if I drink herbal tea that's caffeine-free, I'm okay. So this is 20 tea bags. This was $2.49. And hopefully it'll help me sleep, because that's always a challenge. The next item is some crispy garlic. I'd never seen this before. It's little slivers, like shaved pieces of garlic that have been toasted. This was $3.29 for 4 ounces. And this is just a garnish. I figure I can put this on top of like a stir fry, or, you know, they show it right here on top of rice. And that looks delicious to me. I probably wouldn't use that much, but you know, a little rice with some soy sauce and some of this garlic, that sounds really good. And all it includes is garlic, rice bran oil, and salt. So I figured this is a splurge for me, but I'd never seen it before. I figured this will last a long time. Next on my list is some coffee. It's Trader Joe's Joe, an exceptionally smooth cup of coffee. Medium roast, 100% Arabica ground coffee. And I love coffee, so this was $5.99 for 14 ounces, which isn't too bad these days. Coffee's gone up a lot, and it's good until November. It won't last till June. I mean, I have another thing of coffee opened, but I drink 3 or 4 cups a day. I love it. It's my addiction, the only thing really. So, I got some coffee and 2 more things. This was another splurge. I felt like splurging this time. Let's find it here on the list. Okay, sweetened dried oranges. Look at those. Don't they look good? I'd never even seen them before. And this was $1.99 for 5.3 ounces. And I will eat like 2 slices probably at a time, so this will last me, you know, I don't know how many servings, probably 4, you know, but it'll be a nice treat. Have some chocolate with it. Oh, I can't wait. This sounds really good. And the last item are some parsley crackers. This is something I'd never seen before either, but a little box of crackers like this is getting expensive in the regular stores, and this was only $1.49. So I thought, what the heck? I like crackers, I like parsley. Savory, crispy crackers sprinkled with parsley. So I will show you how I eat some of these things later in the video, so stay tuned. Okay, as promised, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use some of these items I got from Trader Joe's. And this one is pretty simple. I'm going to open up these orange slices. I haven't had them yet, and I can't wait to try it. So, here they are. And I'm going to put a couple on my plate. They smell good. I have the Fontina cheese, and I'm gonna slice off a chunk. Put that right there. Next are the parsley crackers, and they are delicious. I've tried these. So I'm just gonna put a few on my plate. I'm just gonna have a little snack here to show you how I snack, I guess. So, here you go. I'm gonna try the orange slices. Oh yeah. The rind, the orange rind, is pretty chewy, but delicious. Sweetened and dried orange slices. They are sweet. They're good. Moist and sweet. And now I'm going to try a little piece of this cheese. Fontina cheese. It's really creamy and good. Like I said, I've tried the crackers and they're very good too. So this is my little snack I'm gonna have. Everything from Trader Joe's. Today I'm gonna show you how I use my organic silken tofu from Trader Joe's. I'm going to make a chocolate mousse. It's very simple. Okay, the main ingredient is the tofu. So I'm gonna open up the package and put it in my little food processor. This is what the tofu looks like. It's very soft. It's just kind of like a cream cheese, a very soft cream cheese texture. And I'm gonna kind of spoon it out So if you use the extra firm, you'll notice that this is not firm. It's silken, so it's very soft. It's great for making a cream type dish, for desserts, and I'm only going to use about half of it because I don't think it'll all fit here in my food processor. It's kind of small, so I have this much left. So basically, we just need 1 tablespoon. This is how I'm going to do it. You could also use melted chocolate, but I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. A little bit of vanilla, about half a teaspoon. And you could use maple syrup, you could use honey. I'm going to use just a little bit of stevia. And I'm going to use about less than 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just about that much. Maybe half of like 1/8 of a teaspoon. Because stevia is very sweet, and if I need more, I can just add more. So now I'm going to mix it together. Okay, I mixed it for about a minute, and I'm going to add a little bit more stevia because it's pretty bitter with that cocoa powder, and I'm going to mix it some more. And if you look, it's very soft. And I'm just going to take a little taste. And it is still kind of bitter, so I'm going to add some honey. You could also use dates to sweeten this. Okay, I'm going to take another little taste. That's a lot better. I'm going to spoon this into some bowls and let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Then I'll show you what it looks like. My chocolate mousse has set. I put it in 2 different bowls. Here's one of them, and I'm going to give it a taste. So it's really creamy. It is really good. You could sprinkle chopped nuts on top. You could sprinkle some chocolate chips or shaved chocolate, berries, anything you want. I'll probably just eat it just like this. You know, it would be really good with some whipped cream. But tofu is pretty healthy. Each serving has about 4 grams of protein, which I'm trying to get more into my diet since I don't eat a lot of meat. So let me know if you'll try some of this silken tofu. So that was my Trader Joe's haul, and I just love going there. It's such an adventure to try to find new things, which is easy to do. It's not even trying. You just look at the shelves and there they are. It's fun to find new things, is what I should have said. Do you go to Trader Joe's? Do you shop there regularly? I am going to try to go about once a month because it's not that far out of the way once I'm in the town where there is one. And it's exciting. I like grocery shopping, but I really love going to Trader Joe's. It's a lot more fun to me. I'm not sure I told you how much I spent at Trader Joe's, but the grand total was $28.67. So I got a lot of meals. I mean, numerous, many. I'm still eating some of the things. And everything I've eaten has been delicious. for the most part. And if it wasn't delicious, it was because I'm not that great a cook. So there you go. But they have interesting new items that I really enjoy looking for. So let me know if you like Trader Joe's, what you like to buy there, because I'm always looking for new things too. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.